Welcome to SVR IAS Academy. ComeOnIndia.com is our website. In this current affairs online video lecture, you are going to learn three important topics. Today's date is 12th July 2016. What are all the three topics that you are going to learn? First topic is Nanpith Award. Nanpith Award is important topic for the prelims examination. Recently, 51st Nanpith Award is given. In this background, you should know the award is given to which of the languages, for how many languages are eligible to receive such award, and only Indians are given or foreigners also given this award, and what are the cash prize given under this award, who gives this award, and so on. In the second topic, that is India-Kenya relations, you will learn about 7 pacts that India signed recently with Kenya, how Kenya is important to India, and what are all the 7 pacts or agreements, importance of maritime cooperation between these two countries. Third and final topic that you are going to see is regarding Margos and INS Karna. Margos stands for Marine Commandos. It involved in important operations. What is the mandate of this force? And it operates in the Western Naval Command or Eastern Naval Command. What are the important operations it undertook? And also some important points about INS Karna. So this topic is important for prelims and mains examination. So let's start the video lecture. Now let's discuss about INS Karna. INS Karna, that was commissioned recently. INS stands for Indian Naval Ship, and it will be a part of Margos. It will be part of Margos, and Margos stands for Marine Commandos. Marine Commandos plays an important role in the Eastern Naval Command along the east coast of India. It plays an important role. Marine Commandos, that is Margos, involved in many operations, like it involved in the Operation Jabardast, and it also involved in Operation Leech, also involved in Operation Taza, and it also involved in the Operation Sagittarius. Operation Jabardast is a India-Sri Lankan exercise, and Operation Leech is the India-Myanmar exercise, and Operation Sagittarius is nothing but anti-piracy operations along the Malacca Strait. It is an important point because whenever we talk about anti-piracy operations, we used to go to the Somalia and Red Sea. So here Malacca Strait we already discussed in our earlier video lecture under paid service. Malacca Strait is a strait that separates Indonesia from Singapore and is one of the choke point in the world. So Operation Sagittarius is a operation of Margos. There is an anti-piracy operation along Malacca Strait. And Operation Rakshak. Operation Rakshak is a counter-terrorist operation, or you can say anti-terrorist operation by Marcos in Jammu and Kashmir. At present, the Operation Rakshak is going on, and Margos or Marine Commandos was established in 1992. They play an important role. The mandate of establishing Margos is to take specific operations in the entire area under Eastern Naval Command. Under Eastern Naval Command, Margos involves in the specific operations. So prepare thoroughly about INS Karna, Margos, because in GS paper 3 we have a syllabus called Structure and Mandate of Various Security Agencies in India. So in this background, if UPSC asks about Margos and its importance, you should be able to write within 100 to 150 words. Now let's discuss about India-Kenya relations. Recently, our Prime Minister visited four African countries. They are Mozambique, South Africa, Tanzania, and Kenya. So remember the order of visit. It can be asked in the prelims examination. So during the visit to Kenya, India signed 7 pacts with Kenya. Let's discuss important pacts one by one. India is agreed to construct a cancer hospital in Kenya. India will construct a cancer hospital in Kenya. It will provide affordable health care to the cancer patients in Kenya. India agreed to provide concessional line of credit to Kenya, and the amount is $45 million. $45 million. The fund will be used for the development of textiles and development of small and medium enterprises. India and Kenya signed Memorandum of Understanding in the field of cyber security, drugs and narcotics control, and human trafficking. These are the areas that India signed MOU with Kenya. MOU stands for Memorandum of Understanding. India and Kenya also signed MOU on defense cooperation. Under this, frequent training and sharing of expertise will be held, and maritime security is also another emerging area of cooperation between India and Kenya. At present, India is Kenya's largest trading partner. And India is the second largest investor in Kenya. Both countries have many common challenges like terrorism and radicalization are the common challenges that both countries face, and both countries have young populations. So skill development is another area of cooperation. Both countries has to provide skill development training to their young population so that demographic dividend can be achieved or utilized properly. Another important point that came in the news recently is Swahili. Swahili is the topic came in the news. That is the Bantu language. It is a Bantu language spoken in many African countries like Democratic Republic of Congo, Tanzania, Kenya, Mozambique and other African nations. Swahili language is mainly spoken by Swahili people, and recently Prime Minister visited Africa. In Africa, Prime Minister made a statement in Swahili language, that is, knowledge without practice. Knowledge without practice is nothing but wax without honey. Wax without honey. This statement is very important. You can use this in essay writing as well as while writing answer in GS paper 4 ethics. So knowledge without practice is wax without honey. In prelims examination, we are studying so many books. If you develop knowledge without doing any prelims test practice, then it is like you are having knowledge but no result. So you must do so many practices before going to the prelims, mains or interview. Otherwise, the statement will be true. Knowledge without practice is like wax without honey. So prepare thoroughly on India-Kenya relations. It can be asked in the mains 2016 examination. Now let's discuss about Jnanpith Award. Jnanpith Award. Recently, President of India has presented 51st Jnanpith Award to the Gujarat writer, to the Gujarat renowned writer Raghuveer Chowdhury. Raghuveer Chowdhury for his contribution for the development of Gujarati language. In this background, let's discuss some important facts on the Jnanpith Award. It is only given to the Indian writers. The award is presented to Indian writers only, and the award is given by Bharatiya Jnanpith. Bharatiya Jnanpith, and 22 languages are eligible to receive the award. So writers from the 22 languages which are mentioned in the 8th schedule are eligible to receive Jnanpith Award. Apart from 22 languages, English writers are also eligible to receive Jnanpith Award. It is a very important prelims point. So apart from 22 Indian languages which are mentioned in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution, English writers also eligible for Jnanpith Award. Another important point is that Jnanpith Award will not be conferred posthumously. Will not be conferred posthumously. It means the award will not be given to the persons who are already dead. It's another important fact. And writers from the Hindi language got maximum number of Jnanpith Awards on 10, and writers from the Kannada language ranks second. They received 8 times. So recently, writer from Gujarati language received 51st Jnanpith Award. So it's an important topic for the prelims examination. So prepare thoroughly. So thank you for watching this online video lecture, and we hope you enjoyed this current affairs video lecture. And if you have any feedback, just type in the comment box and we will respond. To get more video lectures for prelims, mains and current affairs, visit our website commandindia.com. and all the best for your IAS exam preparation. Thank you.